sigibele ematafuleni ethaveni.
Hello, those are ninjas. Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button. I know it's been a long time since I posted. I'm currently fixing my life, getting my life together. This was supposed to be a pedicure video, but I did struggle to film this video, so I decided to put these clips on this vlog. I wanted to do a pedicure video, but it was so difficult. Shout out to the people who do this kind of videos, because ring light, focus, everything was difficult. So the next day I went to do shopping for my next client. Yeah. Hi dolls, I just got back from town and I got myself these tips. I didn't buy in bulk, that is not a good thing. I did review this glue. It is not good. It takes a lot of time to dry, so it's not good for clients. And I got these tips and this dehydrator from Blink Girl and this brow pencil. Got myself a filer for shaping, and also got this gel from Blink Girl. I went to another shop, okay, because I love comparing. I got this acrylics. I've never used this brand before. I like to review, so we'll see, but brand nails still wins. I hope I'll not regret buying that primer, and I got that glitter thing. I went to Signature. I made a mistake. So because I was in a rush, fine, I got this lip gloss, good, sharp. Then I got this primer. I thought it was 50 rand, and then I saw my slip and it was 90 rand. Oh, I was so mad. I didn't recover that day. 90 rand is a lot of money for that small thing. And this mascara, guys, is blue. Because it's almost.
I am with the sun.
I'm flat losing it. Okay, let's see for some. Hey, I told back when I sent cooking no cold. Because you are cool. First, so I'll blind you go.
Madam, when the lap, yes, I know in the net. Yes, it's your boy, Mr. Right. I am here with your most wonderful vlogger,
You didn't say your name.
Mr. Right. My name is
Mr. Right.
Mr. Right.
Okay, Mr. Right.
Follow me on Twitter at Real Mazri DJ in Tetra SA.
Abagu.
Yo. Yeah, it's going to be hard.
Hard. What's going to be hard?
Yo, it's so nice. Keep my pictures like clean.
It's a video.
I'm even cute.
It's a video.
The night.
No, I'm not bright.
Hey, it's Mr. Right. When you pray,
White.
when you pray,
I'm so pregnant.
we are my pray.
Ooh. You wish,
Ngiyakutshela we did science. Yeah, so vele yakuprove.
yeah, but me.
Don't use Google.
I'm pregnant in your TV.
Don't use it.
Ngiyatata. Why upheze to umtimba wami?
Umtimba ngohlala ufana.
Wona window ka futhi.
Umntwana wokuqala ngeke afane na wesi2, wesi2 ngeke afane na wesi3.
Kimi kwela the same thing.
Kunabo miracle la ngaphandle.
Thank you.
Ngiyakutshela ke.
Never.
Hambe clinic uyichitha ngikhamba.
Never.
Once. Huh?
Angeke vela ngingicabanga ukucabanga.
Maye ngabo prank ke utwende nje.
Angeke ukucabanga.
Sishinyalo sesiyakubuda sima uprank wena njani.
Ngothutha.
Uthuthela.
Hey wena. Unali bad.
Ja, men det är inte väldigt mycket kan det
No, 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 please come
ngoba muhle kakhulu nje ngithanda kuba simple nje
Salome.
attention lenyanga uzoyithola njengobutela uzoyithola girl asikhathi uzokuthola Ninjaz kapatsha.
Sengba usubaleke ngale ngoba ngithole njalo hlala abantu kodwa lemkhapha kafike level sibagcokile asiyohlala pha yes
Kusamele ngofola ngothatha ama kusamele ngothatha
Ngisho njalo.
Ngative
kusamele ibold baby ngekho explicit
session with the liner, so I'm currently writing down all the details. But yeah, I am a bit stressed honestly of the lighting. Yeah, I am a bit stressed. It's a lot, so I work under care and support. I'm a bit stressed because, oh my god, this kids go through a lot. But yeah, God will just give me